eager viewers, I am Josh, operating my dad's phone, and I'm about to show off our 4th of July. We already did a firework named Game Mode. I accidentally ended the video. So we're gonna fire off this other one named Mad.
Get scissors.
Sure.
Alright, let's roll.
Dad, what are you doing?
I got this tape and stuff. Ready?
Okay, I think Dad's lighting off the badge. Oh.
Alright, we go.
Whoa! I didn't know it made the troll so upset. This is Havoc. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay, guess the trolls had a raging fit. Here are our final three.
Let me,
These are the final three. Sorry for that popping noise at the start. That was my dad. Since July 4th is America's birthday, I think it's CNT made a special firework for America's birthday known as the Star Master. Brace yourself, this might be loud. What's it gonna do?
I don't know. Give it a minute. Still smoking.
Is it gonna jump scare? Is it gonna... Whoa! Happy birthday, America! Ah! Well, that was a disappointment. This next one called the Pyro Master seems to be very good and fire.
Oh, yeah.
Ah! Woo! My oh my, this is intense.
Some good ones back here.
This next one's called Astrobot. And we might get out of a universe with this amazing show. Okay.
I think that's it. Now it's all
Yeah.
sparklers. So now I think we clean up a little bit.
Okay, so subscribe and
All that. Click the link down below.
I don't know. Bye. Wait. Oh, actually, I started.